On December 25, 2021, a rocket carrying humanity's most ambitious telescope lifted off from French Guiana. It was the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, a machine designed to see the first galaxies ever formed, to peer into planetary systems far beyond our own, and to redefine our understanding of the universe. For decades, engineers and scientists had worked on this telescope. Delays, redesigns, and budget overruns had nearly killed the project. Some joked it would never launch, but now it was airborne, folding its way toward destiny. From the start, JWST's journey was unlike any other. It was too large to fit inside the rocket in its final form. Its mirrors and sunshield had to be folded like origami, packed tightly for launch, and then unfurled perfectly in space. This was not just difficult, it was unprecedented. One tiny mistake in deployment could destroy the telescope. Weeks after launch, JWST reached its destination, the second Lagrange point, 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, farther than any telescope had ever operated, farther than humans could ever reach. At that distance, no repairs were possible. The first critical task was unfolding the sunshield, a thin, tennis court-sized shield designed to block heat from the sun, Earth, and Moon. The deployment involved 140 release mechanisms, 70 motors, and 5 layers of delicate material. If a motor jammed or a layer tore, the mission could fail permanently. During the initial deployment, engineers on Earth watched the live telemetry. Every step took hours. Every signal was analyzed. At one point, one of the sunshield layers failed to tension correctly. The team feared the worst. A single misalignment could prevent the telescope from cooling enough to operate. For days, they monitored the situation. Teams worked around the clock, calculating adjustments, carefully instructing JWST to release tension slowly, layer by layer. Against all odds, the sunshield successfully deployed. The telescope's temperature dropped to near absolute zero, essential for observing faint infrared signals from the early universe. Next came the mirrors, 18 hexagonal segments, each precisely aligned. The alignment process was one of the most complex operations ever attempted. Each mirror had to move in micrometer increments. Even a fraction of a millimeter error to ruin the focus. Engineers performed the alignment remotely, adjusting each mirror individually while the telescope orbited silently in space. Months passed. They focused on a single star, taking thousands of images, analyzing each pixel for flaws. Weeks of painstaking adjustments followed. Then, on July 12, 2022, the first fully aligned image arrived. It was breathtaking. A galaxy cluster billions of light years away, captured in unprecedented detail. Stars, gas clouds, and distant galaxies appeared with clarity never before possible. JWST had survived its near failure. It was alive, it was working, and it would revolutionize astronomy. Over the next year, the telescope unveiled secrets of the cosmos. It observed exoplanet atmospheres, identifying chemical signatures that hint at habitability. It revealed galaxies formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. It captured nebulae in exquisite detail, showing stellar nurseries and cosmic collisions. JWST proved that ambition can overcome adversity, and mission almost destroyed by complexity had succeeded through patience, precision, and human ingenuity. But the story is not just about science, it is about courage, perseverance, and trust in engineering. Thousands of people across decades believed in a project that could have failed, and when near disasters occurred, they solved problems no one had ever faced. JWST reminds us that exploring the universe is inherently risky, and sometimes the most extraordinary discoveries come from the projects that almost don't survive. As JWST continues its mission, orbiting silently far beyond the moon, it sends back images and data that challenge our imagination. It reveals that the universe is older, bigger, and more mysterious than anyone could have predicted. One day, JWST will fail. Its instruments will cease, its orbit may decay, and it will drift silently among the stars. But the legacy of its discoveries and a human ingenuity that saved it will endure forever. If this story made you feel awe for the universe, if it made you respect the risks humans take to uncover its secrets, subscribe for more real space stories. Leave a comment and tell us, would you trust a billion-dollar telescope to unfold itself perfectly in space?